So guys, now I'm on Google Trends website. So you might be thinking why I'm here. Now I will help you how we can prioritize these keywords or these niche. Or if you are thinking you will just go for two of these keywords, then how you are gonna prioritize them. This is the method now I'm going to show you, and probably not all of the Mars by Amazon content creators on YouTube shows this kind of methods each and every day. I think this is something I'm going to show you guys that is very much unique, and that is a good tip. So guys, feel free to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because that will help me and motivate me to bring more interesting and helpful content for you guys like this. So yeah, now start with one keyword first here and type it on the first search bar and hit enter. Okay, now we can see here a tool that says compare, right? Here we will put our next keyword. So like if I pick World Smile Day, and I will select system. Now it will show you a comparison chart that shows the interest. Okay, make sure you filter country from here, because I'm from Bangladesh. It by default have selected the Bangladesh, but I'll make sure now that it selects the United States, because we are researching the niches for United States market. Now you see the interesting facts. So the rest shows you the interest for World Smile Day. Now you guys might have already thought that okay, World Teachers Day should have been the top keyword for us here, but you can see no, the World Smile Day beats the World Teachers Day. So there's something interesting and you can learn from here. Now I will add another keyword here, World Animal Day, and I'll add another comparison and search it by search term. Interesting. The World Animal Day have some consistent search history. The World Smile Day have a spike here, but the World Teachers Day it's pretty much minor or underdog here. So I might not be going for the World Teachers Day anymore. But yes, on average, the World Animal Day is higher than the World Smile Day. Now let's see, move forward with more keywords and how where it ends. I got a feeling this World Mental Health Day will beat all of them. Let's see. Yes, it is the World Mental Health Day. It is beating all of them by a big margin, and it has a big spike on October, because the World Mental Health Day is on October 10. It is a trend, guys. So yes, moving forward, we have to select Native Americans Day, and to be mentioned here, one thing. You can go for a particular set of keywords in the comparison list. Let's see where we can end up, but now let's move with Native Americans Day. It has good spikes, and it is beating and ranking second here. The World Mental Health Day is the first one, and then the Native American is second, and then the Animal Day, and then the Smiley Day, and lastly the Teachers Day. I will remove the Teachers Day from the list because it's not showing enough interest. So now we are ending up with four. Next, the Farmers Day. All right, interesting. So the Farmers Day has a pretty much good consistency, guys. It is on average it is the top for now in our list. So you guys can see it's really interesting researching here on Google Trends. So it is more of an evergreen niche if you can select the Farmers Day or farmers keyword here. But the environmental health day, it is more of a trend. uh, so yes, and then moving forward with the next keyword, the Alaska Day. It is a sub-region interest. So okay, now as you can see, we can add up to five keywords here. So You can compare up to 5 keywords at a time. You have to now delete one if you want to add another. So I'll probably delete the which one you can say the smiley day and annual day. They are more making up ties, so I'll just delete the smiley day. So now I can add another keyword here. Let's add Alaska day. hmm Really, the Alaska day. Guys, this is really interesting to see how this goes here. You can see the Alaska day. I've never thought this will take a big spike, I mean big consistent spike here, but it is taking the lead of the average. You can see here on average the Alaska is on higher interest, on the Alaska bar is on top of everyone. So right now we have on top Alaska day. So we can just remove the World Animal Day from the list to add another one. Now the National Pumpkin Day. See how much interest it has got already. Okay, not too much. The National Pumpkin Day, it's the minor in the list. The Alaska Day is still on the top, and the remainings are positioning subsequent positions. But the National Pumpkin Day is not on a huge margin of interest. Okay, so let's add our the last keyword. And for this one, I'll remove the National Pumpkin Day because it is the minor on the list. Alright, the National Cat Day, and it is taking a huge spike on October 25 because, as you know, we have already seen from the list, it is the event on 29th October. So that's why it's taking a spike on that particular day on Google Trend. It's interesting, guys. Now this is up to you where you will go for. Like if you want to go for a trend and hit the niche immediately, you can just go for this spike, the National Cat Day, and the next spike is for the World Mental Health Day. So if you want to go for a trend, and if you are on the lower trend, lower tiers like tier 25 or tier 10, you should be recommended for these two spike, the National Cat Day and the World Mental Health Day. And if you are more of a fan of evergreen niches and you are on higher tiers like tier 100 and tier 500 or above, you can just go for the other bars here like the Alaska Day. It has some consistent movement in the chart. Also the Farmers Day, it is what's that already inspired me to go for. And the Native Americans Day, it also have some sort of consistent spike, but not like the Cat Day and the World Mental Health Day. So, for now, I will go for the World Mental Health Day to help you guys find a sellable niche from this research. Because I'm going for the World Mental Health Day, the reason behind is I want to help the lower tier guys more because those are the step of the Mars Amazon where people struggles more. So now I will go and move forward with my next part of the video where I will show you guys how I can find a profitable niche or low competition niche for the World Mental Health Day. So till then, stay with me guys to see and follow the next episode of the video how I continue with the World Mental Health Day to find a low competition profitable niche. Stay safe, be creative, and happy March.